Hello and welcome to Quick Maths with Mr. Yonjan. Today we will learn how to solve quadratic equations by factorizing. Alright, so let us solve this equation x squared minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. I need two numbers. When I add, I get negative 7. Okay, this negative 7 over here, the coefficient of x. And when I multiply the same two numbers, I should get 12. This is the constant term. So 3 and 4 are the two factors of 12. Okay, but I need a negative 7 when I add. So I need to know I should have negative 3 plus negative 4. When I add this, it becomes negative 7. When I multiply the same two numbers, negative 3 times negative 4 will give you positive 12. Okay. Now we need to break this middle term into these two factors over here. That's why it is called factorizing. Okay. So here I write x squared, then take this first one, minus 3x, and take the second one, minus 4x, and then write down this constant term equal to 0. If you look at minus 3x minus 4x, that gives you minus 7x. Now I need to take out the common factor from those two and these two. So here I have x as the common factor. So I get x minus 3 because x squared divided by x is x, minus 3x divided by x is minus 3. Similarly, minus 4x plus 12, the highest common factor is minus 4. And then minus 4x divided by minus 4 is x, and plus 12 divided by minus 4 is minus 3. That is equal to 0. Okay, now if you look at the expression inside the bracket, they are the same. Okay, so what we can do now is the outside ones, x minus 4, I can group those in one bracket and write the common ones that are in the bracket as x minus 3 equal to 0. Now what does this mean? X minus 4 times x minus 3 equal to 0. So when I multiply two numbers, and that gives me 0, so either one of them must be 0. All right, for example, let us take an example of a numerical value. 5 times 0 will give me 0, or 0 times 5 will give me 0. So either this x minus 4 must be 0 or x minus 3 must be 0. So I can write that as either x minus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Now this is a simple linear equation that we need to solve. So x equal to 4 or x equal to 3. And these are the two roots of this quadratic equation. 5x squared plus 19x minus 4 equal to 0. Now there is a coefficient of x squared over here, which is 5. I need two integers. When I add, I'll get 19, the middle coefficient of x. And then this time when I multiply the same two numbers, so 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. They are 20 and negative 1, because 20 minus 1 will give you 19, and 20 times negative 1 will give me negative 20. 5x squared plus 20x minus 1x, which is just x, minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, 20x minus 1x will give you 19x. Now factorize this. 5x is the highest common factor, and then 5x squared divided by 5x is just x. 20x divided by 5x is 4. And then factorize this. The highest common factor in this case is -1. So negative x divided by -1 is positive x, and then -4 divided by -1 is positive 4. Notice that the expression inside the brackets are the same. Now 5x minus 1, the outer terms, times x plus 4 equal to 0. So either 5x minus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, now solve these two linear equations. 5x equal to 1 because minus 1 changes to positive 1, and then divide both sides by 5, x equal to 1/5. That's one of the answers. Or x plus 4 equal to 0, so x equal to -4. That's the other answer. Okay, thank you for watching.